Pupushka update. She's definitely preggers. Hogo-sha is still in his 8th month for a couple days. 135 now. So the last video I made, I wasn't sure if she was pregnant. Now I'm sure. She's not a small dog herself. Anyway, so these pups, I think I've got a photo of the tie. I think it was around February. I mean, not February, but it was the 18th of that month. So I suspect puppies around the 20th of this month. This will be interesting. We got some giant dogs in the mix. Her mom's 177 pounds. I don't know what she weighs. I haven't had her on a scale. He goes on the scale regularly. He kind of hangs out in different places. He took a tooth in the eye there. There's nothing wrong with his eyes. All right, I got to get outside the pen to get some distance on the clowns. I have no helper. My helpers went to college. Let's take one entertainment. Okay, Hogo-sha is looking good. I really like him. Pupushka. Yes, that's your name. You're definitely pregnant. We can see that now. We can see. What do you think, Hogo-sha? What do you think? Anyway, there you go. There's an update. Definitely pregnant. Expect puppies around the 20th of this month, which is February, and expect them to go around that time in April. Percentages are too complicated for me to rattle off, but they'll be in the description of the video and on the website.